Hey, budget travelers, it's me, JT, again, this time with another property tour, but in El Salvador. So this spa is really popular on social media, but I couldn't find like a lot of information as far as pricing and what it looked like and where it's at. So, of course, I did the work so you don't have to. All you gotta do is call and book your appointment. So go ahead and stay tuned so you can see the entire property tour and, of course, to see how much I paid. So right now we're in the parking lot. We actually got there before a lot of the other employees. So we just went in there and patiently waited until it was time to get our massage. I signed up for the first massage of the day just so we could spend the rest of the day relaxing by the pool. So I hope you enjoy this and I will see you guys soon.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want